of the Warrior.
This entire arena is buzzing on the power of the Warrior, a man who can cut through the competition like a hot knife through butter.
Bell is rung, and these teams are ready for action here.
This is a match that takes a lot of cooperation with your teammates. One weak link in your chain, and your team is in serious risk of losing.
Getting put against the turnbuckles.
Double that body drop. Oh, yes.
Talk about being on the same page. They were on the same sentence with that fine piece of work.
Oh, and it's reversed.
He just saved himself there.
Bam! Sent into the ropes and a sharp elbow to the back.
Relax, holding him at bay.
Whatever you can do, I can do better. Counters on top of counters. And a boot to the stomach.
He took the worst of that impact.
And into the corner he goes.
Using the turnbuckle to neutralize their opponent.
And I like it.
And there is no other term for that than just cheap. A cheap shot.
Clothesline! Tagged into the action.
Clothesline to the back of the neck.
Ooh!
Using the arm like a billy club. Oh, man.
Punch lands. Oh, that kick will stop you in your tracks.
Ooh. Oh, man. That's an action. Ooh. Ooh. Well measured there.
Ooh. Get up there saying, I don't know if their opponent has anything left, and this will not help. Wrench that neck.
And Smash is keeping the match at his pace.
And I bet Smash is looking to inflict more damage too.
Ooh, man. This six-man tag is sure to get wild and out of control. Is it better to be causing the chaos or avoiding it?
Me? I prefer to be right in the thick of things where the action is. I encourage these guys to do the same. Do not shy away from the havoc. You gotta be in it to win it.
Hoisted up high here.
Hard play.
Tagging in his teammate.
Oh, what a clubbing blow. Stiff headbutt.
He left an opening. Lands. What a barrage of stops. And if the first stop doesn't send you the message, the follow-up ones definitely will. Nothing fancy here, just raw power. Talk about intimidation. I'm not sure if it's resilience or stupidity that's going to drive you to try and come back from a move like that.
Big boot! The switch here to Ultimate Warrior.
Propped up in the corner now.
Oh, what a double team. Putting up, can he do it here? And he breaks the count quickly.
Staying alive, keeping this thing going. Crush able to steer clear.
Big boot. Cover, is it enough? What a six-man tag match.